What is marriage in Shona? It is important to point out that in Shona culture, a marriage can be a traditional union where rora is paid and traditional rituals are observed, or a contemporary union where official documentation is submitted and registered by the land where the couple live. There are also civil marriages, long-term cohabitation, as well as a host of informal arrangements. All are socially acknowledged, although the levels on which they are accepted differ. But how do you say marriage in Shona? You can say wanano, which literally translates to the act of finding each other. Wanano. Wanano. You can also say muchato. Muchato. This in particular refers to the ceremony of the marriage itself. Do you want to know how to say to get married in Shona? Then look for our video titled How to Say to Get Married in Shona. It's available on SARURA Kids' YouTube channel today.